We've been watching stocks in China surging after some unconfirmed reports on social media said policymakers are considering ways to gradually exit its stringent zero COVID rules. Eunice Yoon joins us right now. She's got more on this front, but you are watching the markets overall in Asia pick up on this news, in China, Eunice.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. And I think it's just because there's just so much hope that there would be a lifting and an exit to the zero COVID policies. However, these, as you had said, are unverified posts, and they do suggest that a Beijing committee could be forming for a reopening sometime in March. So this, again, unofficial posts have been saying that this committee would be led by President Xi's political theorist, and that they would run through various scenarios based on data from the United States, from Singapore, as well as Hong Kong. But again, very difficult to see exactly how this would proceed, given the fact that President Xi has been quite strident in his messaging about the value of zero COVID. Now, one development has been that the foreign ministry was asked about this rally and the reports and said that they were not aware. What's interesting so far is that state media also hasn't been reporting on it at all, which suggests that this is quite a sensitive topic. But again, we do have some awareness that a lockdown lift would be very helpful, because today we saw that Zhengzhou, which is often described as China's iPhone city, said that they were going to be lifting their effective lockdown, which in theory would help Foxconn, and they've been facing a lot of trouble there, as you well know, because workers have been streaming out of the factory because of the COVID concerns of both the curbs as well as the spread of the virus. So there would be a lot of hope. It would be great if they were going to lift the zero COVID strategy.
You know, Eunice, as you were talking with us yesterday about those workers who were leaving the Foxconn plant, it occurs to me that this is happening anyway. I know you said that when those workers leave and go back to their hometowns, they're going to be forced to quarantine there. But if you have hundreds or potentially even thousands of people leaving and traveling across areas to get back home, I mean, they're going to be taking it with them as they go anyway. This is what we all saw almost 3 years ago when this started moving across Europe and Italy and different places. When people move to other areas, inevitably, COVID is going to travel with them.
Right, and I think that's why the Chinese government thinks that the lockdown strategy has been so effective, because we haven't really been able to move around. It has been very difficult to get around the country, and then don't even want to think about going outside of the country. It's so difficult. So the Chinese strategy has been to lock down everybody and then make sure that they don't travel so much, so that there won't be so much of a spread. But at the end of the day, it's also depressing the economy, and we're seeing that with businesses and just people traveling and going out, and it's happening everywhere.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.